We're outside cooking today in our Round Grove brick oven. We are so excited to take some of our classic recipes that you guys love. Today we're making simple roasted red potatoes. I'm going to go inside and show you how to quickly mix these up, and Matt's going to get the fire ready. The first step is to prepare your red potatoes. So wash them, dry them, and then you're gonna dice them into small chunks, about 1 inch. Just make sure they're all about similar size so that they cook evenly. I usually make about 4 cups of potatoes for our family, but you can make more or less. Add the potatoes to a bowl so you can mix the seasonings in. Drizzle a couple of tablespoons of olive oil onto the potatoes. You can use cooking spray if you'd like. Then add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half of a teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. I use cast iron in the brick oven, so I have a nice flat pan here that's great for roasting potatoes. Just add them onto that pan and then spread them out evenly, and then they're ready for the oven.
Okay, so we need a temperature of about 450 degrees to cook the potatoes. To get there, we need to get to about 500 degrees, and then once we get to 500 degrees, let the wood turn more into coals. So we need to get it to mostly coals, and then once it's about this stage, we're gonna split it in half and move the coals over to each side so we can put the potatoes right there. We use a brass wire brush to just brush the bottom of the stove off so that we can put stuff on it. The key is not actually the oven temperature, but the brick temperature. So we use a laser thermometer and we measure the brick temperature. It's about 440, 450, depending on where you're at. So that's what we want, is the bottom brick temperature to be about 450 degrees. Check the potatoes about every 7 minutes. They're going to take about 25 minutes to cook to be fork tender.
These easy roasted potatoes are delicious served with hamburgers, with chicken, just about anything you can think of. I hope your family loves these potatoes.